Risco Group, a leading provider of integrated security solutions, presents LightSYS, the hybrid security system preferred by professional installers worldwide. LightSYS is a totally flexible security system. This flexibility is manifested in all aspects of the system. Installation. With LightSYS, you can install using wired, wireless or a hybrid combination. Wiring can also be done via the Risco bus in any combination up to 32 zones. With the Risco bus technology, system testing and diagnostic capabilities can be performed both locally and remotely using all communication channels. Installation can also be completed using less cabling, saving time and money. A full range of wireless accessories are available, including detectors for gas, flood and smoke. Configuration. LightSYS saves you time, as the system can be remotely configured from the PC configuration software via GPRS, IP or PSTN. Following installation, system maintenance and customer support can also be performed remotely, saving time and travelling costs. Communication. With LightSYS, you have the choice of plug-in IP, GSM GPRS modules, in addition to the standard PSTN communication, adding to the system's flexibility. The time saved from the installation, auto-configuration and remote customer support translate into significant savings for both the installer and customer. In conclusion, LightSYS provides a top-of-the-line security system for home and business owners at a competitive price.